Hi, what's going on? Let's talk anchors. What is going on? Hopefully you guys are all doing fantastic wherever you're at. Got the sun on my face, try not to squint here, but we'll see how this goes. Today's April 8th. I was supposed to be heading out to North Wash today to teach technical canyoneering class. We decided a couple weeks ago with things going on in the world that we were going to postpone it. And as would be, as of yesterday, Garfield County closed off North Wash and all camping in that area anyways, which was kind of expected. So we got the class postponed. Be a few openings available still for that coming up in June. That's when we postponed it to, so stay tuned for that. Right now, I figured I'd give you guys a quick anchoring tip. So I'm going to show you a really solid way to anchor your webbing around that object, whether it's that tree or boulder, anything that's solid. We use this a lot in search and rescue. You're going to need a decent length of webbing because you're going to wrap this 4 times. Redundant, very redundant. But first off, you're going to start out by creating that loop. Just tie that webbing up in a loop. We're going to wrap it around the tree in what's called a basket hitch. Just as if I was holding a basket or holding this tree in my basket. That's a basket hitch. Now this alone right here is going to be super redundant and give you an absolute stellar performance. Meaning that each one of these strands of webbing are going to take some of your load. So you cut your load by doing this into each of the 4 strands. Instead of just rappelling off of one single strand, you're now distributing your load between those 4 strands. However, this is not completely safe. Still, if one of these strands happen to break, then the whole system falls apart. So just like most of your other anchors with webbing, we're going to line this up and we're going to put a master knot right in the end of that. Take our quick link, attach our quick link to that. And that is absolutely the most bomber way that you can tie a piece of webbing around an object. If we were to simulate this piece of webbing getting cut at one of these strands, I like to do that by just untying the knot to simulate. Even that, I got a good knot in there. By even simulating that one strand being cut, you're still secure on there. So there you go, my quick tip for today. The absolute most bomber way that you can tie your webbing around an object. A basket hitch with a master point tie-in. As soon as these restrictions are lifted, we're all able to get out and go play in the canyons. It's going to be a great day. Try this out. Practice with it around your ottoman or chairs or whatever and get ready for those days. Now I'm going to grab the pontoon and go fishing because that's isolating myself from everybody else and I can still get outdoors. You guys have a great day. Whoa! That might not have been a good idea. Corona. No, actually I liked it though. Dang it, I wish I didn't start coughing. Got me dizzy real quick.